1 bag of our home style meatballs. Now I'm coming in with my family size frozen cheese tortellini, all in our crock pot. This is a super easy, super yummy crock pot dinner. I have here some Tillamook medium cheddar cheese, and I'm gonna sprinkle that right on top of all that goodness. I love this dinner. On top of our cheese, we're gonna add more cheese in the form of cream cheese. Put that right on there. And then we're gonna move this to the side, and I have a large measuring cup and a whisk. And in our measuring cup, we're gonna start off with 1 can of cream of chicken. I could only find the Great Value brand. They were all out of the Campbell's, so we are trying out the Great Value, and hopefully it is delicious. So we're gonna make sure to get all of that out. Okay, and then we're gonna fill this up with water super quick. Okay, and we're gonna pour that right in there. And then we're gonna do 1 more cup super quick. All right, so 2 cans of water. And then to spice things up, we have our red hot wing sauce. Oh yeah, so we're making some buffalo meatball and tortellini, and we're gonna add a generous amount, but you can add as little or as much as you like depending on how hot you want yours. And we're gonna add that, and we're gonna use our whisk and mix this all together. Oh, look at that beautiful orange color. Oh, this is gonna be so good. That buffalo sauce smells absolutely incredible. Okay, now the last thing we're gonna add to this is 1 packet of our Hidden Valley Ranch, because what is better than ranch and a buffalo together? And we're gonna use that whole packet in there. And we like to just put it in there with our liquid so that it gets evenly distributed throughout our crock pot. So we're gonna go ahead and whisk that in, and then this is gonna be ready to be drizzled on top of our tortellini, our meatballs, our cheese, and our cream cheese.
That looks insane.
It's gonna be so good. I saw this on the internet and I was like, that is exactly what I want for dinner tonight. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and bring our crock pot back, and it is time to drizzle this right on top. My measuring cup is one of those that doesn't like to behave, so I have to be a little gentle with it, but if you guys have a proper measuring cup, you'll be able to just dump it in. All right, beautiful. Okay, and that is it, you guys. We are gonna go ahead and put our lid on and pop this on high and let it cook. All right, it's been 3 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off, and let's check this out. Oh my, it smells so good. I got my spoon so we can mix everything together. Oh yeah. I definitely recommend using the frozen tortellini so that they don't get overcooked, and they also add some more moisture to this, but this looks so delicious. It looks cheesy, it looks creamy, it looks meaty. This is gonna be a winner, I can just tell. All right, let's make sure we get this fully mixed. All right, our buffalo tortellini meatball dinner is ready to try. That looks so good. And you can top it with some chives, some green onions, some more buffalo sauce. I think I'm just gonna do it as is.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. That is so good. You guys are gonna love it, I promise.